Welcome to Qemotion solution presentation. Today we are going to see the example of sugar, a cosmetic brand. You can see that you can choose your selected period. You can choose the week, the month, or the year you want us to analyze the data for. You can have first of all a view of the average emotional index represented in heat degrees. You can have the rate of all the positive emotions and the number of data that were analyzed for your company or brand. The E-index evolution changes in time, especially when you choose longer periods. You can see by clicking on each point what was the period that the index changes for and how about the details of these changements. On the left of the page, you can see that each emotion is represented in a graph by a different color and that each color had a different rate. On the right of the page, you can see that each period has a specific evolution for each emotion. For happiness that is represented in red, you can see that the evolution is quite high. If you choose a specific period that goes from October until December, you can see that the happiness was rising in different rates and for different periods. Just by resetting the zoom, you can get the previous view. You are also able to download all the views on your browser. In Qemotion, we are able to analyze all the different thematics related to your product, your company, or your industry. Here, for the cosmetic product sugar, we have selected many different thematics. The one that have been mentioned the most was body, for more than 2,000 times. -1 represents the overall emotional index of this category. It goes from -20 until +40. The more you're in the positive, the happiest is your customers about your company. We can see here that happiness is rising more than all the other elements for the different categories, all selected in different colors so you can get a clear view of what your customers feel about you. All the different thematics are also represented in circles with the same index so you can get a clear view again of what they feel. If you want to go through the origin of all the comments, you can go on the left of the page and see that by clicking on a certain category, you can have all the comments related to it highlighted in purple. Accordingly, you do not have to scroll all the different comments to see where that your customer talk about that specific aspect of your product. If you click on body, you will get all the comments related to body. If you click on body and sensation at the same time, you can get all the results related for body and sensation together represented to you. None of the other thematics will be readable for you in the comments, because that is a specific option to get a clear understanding view. Thank you for your attention. Do not hesitate to visit us at qemotion.com if you want to get more detailed information about our solution.